Students, I think you all are fine. I hope you all utilizing our Naram College online classes through YouTube channel. If anyone is not yet subscribed, please contact immediately in the office and give your perfect phone number. That is always useful even for your second PU results also. In that number only you are going to get the message. I think we already started online classes for both science and commerce stream in different subjects including languages, and we have decided to conduct one first round assignment test for you people. I think yesterday we sent a message to each and everyone regarding the first round assignment test and the timetable and the topics. See, from 16th of this month we will send videos, and after 16 from 17 to 28, 17, 18, 19, 28 preparation holidays. After that, from 21st onwards you need to write an assignment test. And also we uploaded the notes in respective subjects, and after completion of your test you need to submit that one in the office. And the timetable is as follows. The first one is our Naran College Pola first PUC first round assignment test, that is scheduled from 21st October 2020 to 25th October 2020 for both science and commerce streams. The timetable is as follows. The first PUC first round assignment test, the first day, that is on 21st October 2020. Timing is as usual 9 to 10 every day. For science stream, both PCMB and PCMCS physics, the topic is motion in a straight line. Once again I will repeat the topic, motion in a straight line. 22nd October, that same time 9 to 10, chemistry, the topic is basic concepts of chemistry. Once again I repeat the topic, basic concepts of chemistry. 23rd October 2020, mathematics, the topic is trigonometry up to exercise 3.3. Just to keep in your mind, only up to exercise 3.3 in the lesson trigonometry. And 24th October 2020, the timing is same as usual 9 to 10. For PCMB students, biology, the topic is the living world. Once again I repeat, 24th October for PCMB biology students, the topic is the living world, and PCMCS and commerce students, the computer science subject is on 24th October, and the topic is data representation. For PCMCS students, the topic is data representation on 24th. 25th October 2020. For both science and commerce, PCMB, PCMCS and EBSCS. For Kannada, Ragi Mudde. The chapter name is Ragi Mudde for Kannada students. For Hindi students, Mudda, Chuttipat, Padava, Kutia mein Rajbhavan. Once again I repeat, for Kannada students, Ragi Mudde, clear. For Hindi, Mudda, Chuttipat, Padava, Kutia mein Rajbhavan. And same day, 25th October 2020, English for both PCMB, PCMCS and in commerce stream EBSCS. The topic is the first chapter in the English, the gentleman of the jungle. And in grammar, preposition, articles, question tag, passage, verb and mathing following. In English, the first chapter, the gentleman of the jungle, the timing is 10:15 to 11:15, and the topic is the gentleman of the jungle, preposition, articles, question tag, passage, verb and mathing following. It is comes from grammar portion. For commerce students, EBSCS, for them 21st October, the first paper is economics, the timing is 9 to 10, the topic is introduction to economics. Once again I will repeat the topic, Introduction to Economics in Economics. 22nd October, Business Studies. The topic is Private, Public and Global Enterprises. For Business Studies, topic is Private, Public and Global Enterprises. 23rd October, Accountancy. For Commerce students, the topic is Basic Concepts of Accounting and Journal Entries. In the accountancy, the topic is Basic Concepts of Accounting and Journal Entries. 24th October, Computer Science students. The topic is Data Representation. The timing is 9 to 10. And for Commerce also, once again I repeat, Kannada Ragi Mudde, Hindi Mudda, Chuttipat, Padvar, Kutyame, Rajwan, and in English, Gentleman of the Jungle, Preposition, Articles, Question tag, Asset, Verb, and Mapping following. So the total duration of the test is 1 hour. The total duration of the test is 1 hour. And the maximum marks for test is 25. Now you have a doubt. So how to write the test? What is the criteria of writing the test? So here, that's why our college introduces that online assignment test. Just to consider that it is not a test, it is nothing but online assignment. That means no need of copying from your YouTube classes or what we uploaded the notes of different subjects, particular subjects of particular topics, and you need to write. We upload the question paper 10 minutes clear every day, and you need to start that one, and you purchase one blue book from a store. You need to purchase 6 blue books. For PCMB, languages 2, physics, chemistry, maths, biology 4 plus 2, 6. For PCMCS, languages 2, Kannada, Hindi and English along with physics, chemistry, mathematics and computer science. For commerce students, languages 2, Kannada, Hindi or English, and also economics, business studies, accounts and computer science. And in the blue book, you need to write the details of yours. That means, see, first you write the academic year 2021. And also you need to write Narayan PU College, Kolar MM241. First PUC, first round assignment test. After that, assignment 1. After that, you need to write name of the student. You need to your rights. For example, Ramesh, Sarvesh, Somesh, Ramya, Somya, Jayashree, like that you need to write the names. And the combination. So, if you are belongs to PCMB, you write your combination PCMB. For example, if you are belongs to combination of computer science PCMCS, and if you are belongs to commerce stream, you should write EBA CS. After writing all these, you write the subject. Maybe whether it is a physics or chemistry or mathematics or biology or computer science or economics or business studies or accountancy or Kannada or Hindi or English. Based on the date, as per timetable, you need to write the subject. The topic, if it is physics, you need to write motion in a straight line. If it is chemistry, basic concepts of chemistry. If it is mathematics, trigonometry. No need to write up to exercise 3.3. I think now you are clear. If it is a mathematics assignment, you need to write only the topic trigonometry. And in computer science, data representation. In the biology, the living world, economics, introduction to the economics, business studies, private and public global enterprises, accountancy, basic concepts of accounting and journal entries, and computer science, data representation. If Kannada, Ragi Mudde, Hindi, Mudda, Chuttipat, Padvar, Kutyamai, Rajbhavan. in English you write only the gentleman of the jungle. After that, day you need to write for example 21 10 20 20. After that, second day 22nd 23rd 24th 25th, like that you need to write. Time 09 to 10 a.m. For English only, the time is changed. That is from 10:15 to 11:15 a.m. After that, signature of the student. You need to put your signature. For example, name of the student Ramesh. Ramesh need to put signature after writing everything. And phone number. Because most of the students or parents are telling that we are not getting message properly, sir, we are not getting message properly, sir. For that purpose only, you need to give your correct phone number and signature of the faculty. After completion of writing the test, you need to submit this one from 27 October to 29 October. 27, 28, 29, you must come and submit your assignment to respective subject heads. Along with that, you need to bring your classwork, what we already taught in the online classes from past 1.5 months. You need to prepare notes and you need to bring that notes for correction on these 3 days and get correct from your respective HODs. And from November, after that, after Dasara vacations, 31st November 1st, from November 2nd onwards, you are going to get separate channel. We are going to put videos in separate channel, and that channel is only for those who pay the fees. Now you only pay material fees. You need to pay the college fees before 29th of this month, because we need to upload your details in the PU online portal. That's why 29th is the last day of paying your fees. You need to pay 50% of the fees, and after paying only you are going to get the online classes from November 2nd in a separate channel. Thank you.